Thank you very much. 6 minutes to tell you about the lifeblood of our organization. It's tough, but we're going to do it, and I say we because you're going to help me. So please participate. What is the only way that we are going to get digital services to people in Africa and drive digital empowerment and adoption of the digital economy on this continent? What is the channel? Mobile, absolutely. And why mobile? It's because there is existing infrastructure out there, existing networks and existing devices. And even more beautifully, there are people on the other ends of those devices. But there's a challenge, isn't there? There's a challenge around fragmentation and complexity. A huge number of variables in terms of the number of devices, operating systems, screen sizes, button configurations, RAM, memory, et cetera, on these devices. So kick away from technology for a moment. Just think about any organizational environment where you have complexity. What do you do to deal with that complexity? You centralize. So my name is David Prosser. I'm one of the co-founders and the managing directors and the managing director of ComUnity. And we offer a platform that enables organizations and app developers to build applications once for one single environment and then deploy and manage and operate them over all mass market mobile infrastructure. So let's talk a little bit more about the solution, because quite often when we get in front of customers, they think of us as an application development company. But really, we think of ourselves as a channels company. Now, if you look at African environments and developing market environments where more than 70% of the world's population are not reached by multi-channel, I beg your pardon, are not reached by multinational corporations, what is the issue? It's about channels. Their traditional channels to market are not efficient. And in terms of using mobile as a mass market channel, what are the areas of complexity that we need to deal with? Well, on the one side, what is an application? Okay, is it that beautiful, sweet thing that pops up on your iPhone? No, that's the user interface of the application. Okay, so applications are pieces of technology, software, that enable processes. And those processes, in a true m-commerce perspective, go beyond just transaction. They drive customer or enable customer acquisition, service, retention, up and cross-sell. And if you think of the systems that drive those for businesses or even for innovators, that's quite a lot of systems that you need to be able to enable. And then on the other side of the equation, there's even more complexity. So all of that mass market infrastructure, mobile the most relevant, but what about PCs, tablets, set-top box, smart TV? We found, and I've been running businesses that build mobile applications, multi-channel mobile applications since 2006. The only way to deal with this complexity is to centralize. So ComUnity offers a platform which is an end-to-end multi-channel mobile operations platform that allows you to create, package, deliver, and operate best customer experiences to all mobile devices. So I think what I'd like to do is go across to the Elmo and just show you a couple of experiences. To the Elmo. So here you can see how this is, where's Anne Stonefield? Not your latest Nokia device. This is an E65 running an interface which is driving about 35 core banking services, from transactional services right the way through to, thanks, back to the screen, right the way through to customer management services, investment services, etc. Our business model, we try to keep as frictionless as possible. So it's a platform as a service business model. We're in the cloud. We can be deployed on-premise. And our model is very, very much consumption-orientated, although, of course, as a relatively new startup, we're flexible. Where would we like to go to, and how would we apply the funding that we're looking to raise? So we're looking to enhance our SDKs at the moment to build applications for our platform. You need to be a relatively experienced systems programmer. So we want to build out the tools that enable JavaScript programmers, as an example, to be able to come onto the platform in environments like Azure, build applications, deploy them, and manage them with very little support from us. That also obviously takes quite a lot of marketing support in terms of channel development and, of course, regional development. I'd like to thank you very much for your time. I'd like to invite you to our stand. That's D34. We're in the kind of back corner over there. And I'd like to show you some more application experiences and show you how we can deliver your customers the best application experience right from smartphone right the way through to USSD and SMS application interfaces. Thank you very much.